dance. Anyone welcome back on top of the night show. Don't begin to take phone calls. For those of now when we say what talk to us, make una begin call us now. Our phone numbers don't they on top on our TV. Meanwhile, on top Twister. Yeah, we did here. No. February Godwin. Now February Godwin.
I don't know. It said Feb Godwin. So I want to ask him.
Feb is February now.
Yes.
Maybe she should join force when they do and captain. No. Now we going.
Lala say, make Linda you and Olamide. You know, so Olamide get boys, and he knows how to
abuse.
Catherine, about there.
And then Catherine say Linda Ikeji can join Dele Momodu. Let the beef continue. But not true. Linda Ikeji go join Dele Momodu. Dele Momodu go dey fight the video.
Then you go see us in a triple X.
Now,
Rosemary Nicholas say, una give me on top whiskey and Linda na Davido be the Olamide of whiskey. Now God will give Linda her own Doriasi.
This one goes to go join Donald Trump. What think inside Donald Trump inside this matter now?
I don't know.
Now, back to what we discussed before. Can we come up for inside studio time? Not and lawyer, make I ask you one question. Now, it can't be ask you something about the DSS when it be say they carry people like this. It not get anybody with it like
check them.
That is if now say what they do they bad
or any parameter.
The person will check them now. The executive. That's the president or the presidency. If you check them, the legislature can try, and also bodies like the National Human Rights Commission. Now the body we're supposed to treat issues we has to do with human rights and human rights abuses. You understand? The supposed fit check them, but do they have the will to do so?
To do that kind of thing.
You understand? Because sometimes they are also tools in the hands of these bodies.
Okay.
You understand? Particularly the executive.
Exactly.
You understand? They use them to do something.
They use them to do some kind of
so to check them go they difficult. You understand? So that's just those are.
This is their one-way traffic. You know they help anything now.
So and also another thing that can check them is public awareness. So
make people know their rights.
Make people know their rights. I mean, then they talk. They talk if they are here one bust, you go get away then go here. You understand? And also, there are also courts they can take them to. If rights are...
Who want carry them go court?
You know,
which mind you want get to carry them go court?
And people go they fear.
If they do you wrong, which mind you want get to carry them go court?
You fit challenge them now, they fit come out gun.
You know, say the person who did that wala, not fit do much. Now people wait the outside. Like lawyers, well-meaning people, NGOs, they fit carry these matters up and, you understand, take
you now, when it be say they go fight for people, when it be say not get mouth, they never threaten you before.
Well, not really. Not really.
Not really.
Not be yes, not be no.
Not be yes, not be no.
You can read 4 times.
You don't read like 4 times. It maybe you don't talk as it don't be first not really. If just the one move on to talk yes, because say no, not really. So the one come move on again to talk no.
It can still stay with the not really.
It can stay with not really. Now, this one now, I don't hear him now. So for the this one means we don't conclude the topic. What's the topic?
Your rights and law enforcement.
Your rights. And law is for
Enforcement.
Yeah, police.
Okay.
No.
Just got back. 9 day warriors.
Don't blame us. We just got back.
So we still need to, turn our head around from that Holland Airport, Lagos Airport into the present.
We never acclimatize with Nigeria.
No. Our love there outside here.
Our love is there outside.
No.
The number of Ahmed Adetola Kazeem there on top TV.
Now police complaint.
Oh, sorry.
Don't be my number.
No.
Before organizations call you for night.
All those organizations, when don't they talk about for sure since
so
human rights.
If you complain, so if you have any
number
rights.
there on top of TV now, you go see people when they say you feel complain to in case something they happen for your area when they say you believe say it not their right, not what they're supposed to do to you be this. Like National Human Rights Commission, people when they say they check on top human rights, they matter your right as a human being. If you call them, tell them say okay, now this one they happen, now this one they happen. See the number on top TV, and then in case you want send them email, info.
Everything there inside there. If you look well, National Human Rights Commission, everything, email, call, phone numbers, there. Website, everything.
Website like Linda Ikeji blog, but now website with their own. You go feel go there now. Today, why they laugh now?
I don't know. I just go back.
You be good there. Next week, when it be say, next week, Monday, when Ahmed Adetola Kazeem come, what we go discuss next week? I've been until when you come on Monday, now we go.
We go still, topics there we plenty we will discuss, like rights of
employer,
employees.
We don't discuss that one. We don't do it.
No, it's not enough. We never do them. Now, in the past administration.
No, rights of employer and employee. Yeah. Because some company. Some company.
Say so good, eh?
Some company. Some company. No, you know what I say, woman, they call company. They know what kind of company. Some company.
They go hang the why?
Company. Some company.
When we leave matter for Matthias.
Let's leave matter for Matthias. Yes. When you come back next week, Monday.
So write down all your questions, everything that concerns you and your employer, if you are an employee. And then if you are an employer, write down things that concern your employees. If you know they treat them right.
K-Mos, they shout something, but I will not say it. I will not be tempted
you never
to say it. Meanwhile, tomorrow we'll come back tomorrow. Davido go there here. Wizkid go there here.
Yes.
So that we'll go talk about the beef.
The ongoing situation.
You know, the Wizkid.
Yaga.
You know, what OBO in the building. Before I come out, Odas the Great said Linda Ikeji was supposed to consider national economic situation
before her post.
Before her post.
Times
are hard.
Jesus.
Odas, God will judge you. You need Jesus in your life. And then, je suis Honoriode. Oh, my name is Honoriode.
Yes.
Oh, je suis.
Yes.
Oh, if I use French, read them now.
Yeah.
It talks, je le tout. In
other words, it's good to know you are right.
It's good to, for French, it's a je tout le nous, le rite, le fate.
Yes.
Meaning say, it's good to know you're right. It can't talk, say, thanks for the topic.
You're right say, and law enforcement.
Merci, le je tout, le tout piqué.
Yes.
That person want to thank your topic. Merci,
yes.
les je tout, les stupiqué.
Oui.
You say, thank for your topic. Oui.
Stupiqué can't be like stupido.
Anyway, in case you want to follow us on top Instagram and Twitter, follow DJ EasyBeat with Jerry Cohen. On top DJ EasyBeat, on top Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook.
Yes.
And then Katin here.
Yes.
Beautiful. Tomato, no, dry tomato na be because na yellow na be fresh tomato. Dry tomato.
No.
You know dry tomato na good pass.
Tomato with fertilizer.
Wait, Doya, dry tomato and fresh tomato, which one better pass?
Which one be dry tomato?
I don't know. I don't be farmer.
Lawyer.
Lawyer always get away with the Dutch things. Follow Catherine Obiang on top Instagram and then on top Facebook. See and there. We just got back from Holland.
Just got back.
And then follow
we wasn't post picture on top Instagram.
Yeah, of our just got back.
Just got back.
Follow me for Twitter and then for Instagram Nedum_Wazobia FM. Until we come tomorrow.
That is it.
Davido is gonna be a OBO.
Yeah.
Yaga. Yeah. Go there for inside here. Please give us that music.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make sure sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.